Hi students, so what we want to do today is just look at how to set up the Canvas Student app on your phone. This works for Android and iOS. I'm going to demo the iOS version because I'm assuming most people use iOS, but either way is fine. It's a very similar process depending on your platform. So what you want to do is log into your Canvas account. And a little tip I wanted to give you as well before we move on to the actual mobile app is that this is only one way of viewing your dashboard. You can actually change your dashboard view. This might be a little bit confusing to look through this whole list, and it's not very clear which class is which. I know it says it there, but I think there's a bit of an easier way. So if you go to this little three-dot menu and you click on List View, what it does is it shows your dashboard by day and by course and by due assignments that are due. So that might be easier for you, and then you can check these off as you submit them, and then they disappear from your dashboard. So just a little tip there too. But to set up the mobile app, you go to your account, you click on QR for mobile login. It gives you some message saying, oh, don't share this QR code because then other people can get to your course. So obviously don't share this QR code with other people or let other people take a picture of it. But then just say proceed. And then what you want to do is you want to go on your mobile device, go to the App Store or the Google Play Store, and then just search for Canvas Student. Okay, and that should bring up a whole bunch of drawing things because it sees the word Canvas. But in any case, Canvas Student is right here, and you can download and install that, just like you do any other app. So once you've downloaded and installed it, you just open the app, and then you'll see it says QR login. So if you click QR login, it tells you where to go find the QR login, and then it brings up your camera and you just take a picture of your QR code. And then what happens is it just logs you in, and then you have access to all your courses. So what's nice about this is you don't have to go to your email to see notifications. In fact, you can turn a bunch of your notifications for your email off because this is a much easier way to navigate at least due dates in Canvas. So if you go to the calendar, you'll see, due dates for a specific day. So this is January 26th. These are all the due dates for this fake student. And you can expand the calendar by just dragging down on the calendar itself, and you can see other days. But probably the easiest thing to do is just go to the to-do section, where you get a little 13 badge notifying you there's a whole bunch of stuff due. And then you can just click on those and see what they are, see the descriptions, and you can, if you are able to, if you've done the work and you're taking pictures or whatever, it's on your iPad or your iPhone, you can submit the assignment. But at least you can see the due dates very quickly. And then notifications will be a similar screen, just showing you the last week or so of notifications of things that are coming up that you have to do. Again, if you click on those, it's very similar to the to-do screen. Then other nice thing is Inbox. If your teachers do send a bulk message to all the students through Canvas, maybe saying, hey, I've uploaded the file, or the assignment is now there, or something like that, just a generic message for the whole class. If you go to Inbox, then you will see those messages much easier, I guess, than going to your Gmail inbox that might be cluttered. Okay, so again, there that is. I think might be a useful tool for you, and I hope this was a helpful video. Thank you.